Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a little fall makeup look, and I want to use some of the stuff I purchased during the Sephora VIB sale. I repurchased a lot of stuff, so it's not like a bunch of new stuff. I'm just going to I did a lot of skincare, which I didn't really put out, but I got my Shiseido cotton pads as usual. I repurchased the Sol Janeiro, the Bum Bum Cream. I really love this. And I repurchased my Drunk Elephant Serum that I just totally love. I got two concealers, which I always wanted to try the Laura Mercier. This is the Flawless Fusion Concealer. And I got the Benefit Boimg Cakeless Concealer. I think I'm gonna try the Boimg Concealer today. And my brows, I have just foundation on, that's why I look so crazy. My brows, I've never been good at doing my brows. My brows are like, I hate to use, I don't want to say hate my brows, but I don't like my brows. It's like I can never get it right. So I got the Benefit brow whatever it's called, Precisely My Brow, and it came with a pencil and then this. So I didn't use it today, but I'm definitely gonna try it out. I repurchased my Fenty fly liner because I'm black. I got this, I'm still trying to work on my brows, so I got this tinted brow gel from Anastasia. This is in, I think this is in chocolate. I think I got chocolate or some kind of dark brown. Then I got this lipstick. This was an impulse purchase while I was at the register. It was sitting there. It's like a mini version of her liquid lipstick. This is in Underdog. And I swatched it. For some reason, I thought it was like a brownish purple when I saw it in store. You know, Sephora lighting. We talked about that before. But it's like a wine red. It's cute. I wasn't expecting this color though, because this color I don't think I would have picked it up. And I got a few other things, which is like skincare. And is it just me, or like that 20% off, like when you look at your bill, it's still like, is it like a trick or something? Because like you put your stuff in, you get the discount, and then the more stuff you purchase, the taxes is like so high, so it still adds up. I don't know. I'm not gonna get excited for the sale anymore. Anyway, so I'm gonna start with my eyes. I'm gonna do a quick look. I'm thinking orange with all the leaves and the you know, the floor and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start with my Viseart. This is the Milieu palette. This is total just matte shades, but I love this. Most of the times when I do my makeup, I'm using this palette, and I'm just gonna go in with these two, where is it? These two shades right here for like my crease. Then I'm gonna go in with my Tati palette, and I'm using the orange in the sequin row, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And my brush is damp. And I saw this orange and gold look. I was on Instagram and I saw Amrezy. I'm pretty sure you guys know who Amrezy is. And she was wearing this beautiful orange eye, and I just loved it so much, and it just got me so inspired. I thought it was such a beautiful fall look. So I figured, why not do something orange? I feel like the more I use this palette, like the more fallout I'm getting. Maybe, you know, just constantly dipping into the shades, because when I initially used it, I didn't have as much fallout. I'm getting a lot of fallout in the sequin and metallic row, but I don't mind. So I'm gonna put some gold like on top of this. I'm keeping it like really simple, and I'm gonna use my Dose of Colors. This is like their dual, it has cream and then it has pigment. I only use the pigment out of this. It's Sunrise. It's one of my favorite like loose kind of pigments, and I'm just gonna put that over this orange color right here. Kind of rub that on my lid. Oh, my camera battery died. I had to plug it in. But I pretty much just put lashes on, and I put my caviar stick in my inner tear duct. All right, so on to concealer, and I'm so excited to try this. This is the Benefit Boimg Cakeless Concealer. The packaging is so stinking cute. The packaging alone sucked me in. It's like an eraser. And maybe I think they're saying, you know, it erases everything, maybe all your sins and whatever. Because I think it's very smart. It's an eraser, and this is what concealer is supposed to do. It's supposed to erase fine lines and all that stuff and cover up stuff. Anyway, so it's a full coverage liquid concealer that hides it all. From dark under eye circles to blemishes to discoloration. It's supposed to be full, has a natural finish. Formulation is liquid. So I'm gonna put it on like one side of, I'm gonna put it under one eye first, and then I'm gonna do it on the second. And I got it in the shade 10, and I swatched it, and I think I did a good job with the shade. I don't want to put too much because they said it's cakeless, so I don't want to cake it up. And where is my concealer brush? Oh, here it is. So let's see. I love the color. I think the color is perfect. It has just the right amount of yellow. I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender, and it's dirty because I used it to put on my foundation. I'm wearing the Beauty Blender Balance Foundation in 4.30. That's a great foundation. Oh, this is nice. I always know when I'm gonna like a concealer right away. It's so smooth. So nice. Oh, very full coverage, because I usually put a little bit more concealer on, but yeah, this is, oh, I like this a lot. This is nice. This is nice. And compared to the other eye, I like this. This is so nice. It's matte to me though. It has like a matte finish. I like it. So pretty. All right, so I'm already in love. This is great. I love this. The only thing I would say about it though, like if you haven't tried it and you're thinking of getting it, it dries fast. Because when I blended this side out, when I put it on initially, it went very smoothly. But once I put it in forehead and my chin and here, by the time I got to the center of my face, it was a little bit harder to blend out because it started to dry down. Even when I put it to reverse my contour, it was a little, but I think it's so beautiful. This may rival my Too Faced Born This Way, my Dose of Colors. I really like this, and I think I chose the perfect color. Anyway, now for under eyes, I got the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I heard about this powder so much because I know when I started watching YouTube, Nicole Guerrero used to talk about it all the time, and it was like her holy grail. But it always was like that pure white color, and I was like, on my skin tone, that's not gonna work. And then I saw it on Sephora, and they have a shade 2. I never knew that. I don't know how long this has been out, but I was like, I have to try this. Me and complexion products and a powder. I was shocked though, because I just grabbed it when I saw how little and tiny it is. Look how little it is. Anyway, so this is the Secret Brightening Powder, and this is in shade 2, and this is for medium to dark skin tones, and it's a transparent, weightless powder to set under eye, conceal it, brighten dark circles, and diminish the look of fine lines. So it creates the appearance of naturally perfected skin while maximizing the wear and coverage of the makeup. I swatched it, and when I swatched it, like I said, I just grabbed it. This is what the color looks like. It's like a yellow kind of, it's a pretty color because I love anything that has yellow in it. But what kind of surprised me, when I swatched it, there's a sheen to it. There's definitely a sheen somewhere in there. So this is its swatch and it's translucent, but like looking at my hand, I can definitely see a sheen. I've never worn an under eye powder that had a sheen to it. So let's see how this is gonna work out. I'm gonna put a little bit in the cover. It's so small, it's cute, but I thought I was getting more. How much was this? Because it's small. Oh, well, it was $28, and what do you get? You get 0.14 ounces. Anyway, let's see how it works out under my eye, and I'm going in with my beauty blender as usual to put this on. Okay, the color is nice. I like the color. I mean, it's translucent, but I can definitely still see a color. Oh, yeah, that instantly brightened my under eye for sure. Okay. I'm looking in my magnifying mirror here because I'm so blind. Oh, it's very smooth. Have you guys tried this powder? Do you own it? I'm gonna put a little bit more like right here where I have this crease. I like this, and you know what? I'm not surprised because I mean, Laura Mercier, come on. I think they know Laura Mercier. No powders. I think they know powders. Some companies just get, you know, they just get what they get, and they get powders. It's very light. It feels, I think it looks beautiful. I like this a lot. And now that it's on, I don't see that sheen. Very pretty. All right, guys, so let me tell you, I'm excited about this powder. This is good. This is really good. I love it. I just love how my under eye look. And this concealer, listen, this concealer is the bomb. It really is. And this powder, I was sleeping. When did they come out with 02? It's so nice. Oh, this is, I love this. I love this, love this, love this. Anyway, let's get on with the rest of our face. And I'm gonna take my Fenty powder for all over in hazelnut. Love this. If you guys own this powder, let me know how you like it. When did it come out? I mean 02. It's so nice. Oh my goodness, it's nice. All right, for finishing powder today, I am going in with my Laura Mercier, and this is her Candle Glow powder, and this is in shade 5. I remember when I first, I've had this powder now for a long time. This is what it looks like. And oh, it's kind of like a Laura Mercier kind of theme thing, but not really. Anyway, when I first got this powder, I really didn't know how to use it because at that time I wasn't so like knowledgeable about setting powders and finishing powders. And I think I was using this, not I think, I know I was using this as a setting powder. It's not, at least for me, it's a finishing powder. It has like a nice glow to it. Not as glowy as my Marc Jacobs or the other Laura Mercier glow powder, but it definitely has a glow, and it is the it's definitely a finishing powder. Definitely a finishing powder. But it's very very subtle, and as you can see, I'm being generous because it's not as glowy, so I don't really look like, you know, a glazed donut. All right, so for blush, I want to keep it in the orange family, so I'm gonna take my Nars blush, this orange blush. I think it's in Taj Mahal. I hope, yeah, I think it's in Taj Mahal. And I'm gonna go lightly on my cheek. And this is such a pretty blush because it has like a nice glow, and I think it's perfect for women of color. Highlighter today, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty, the 3D highlighter palette, and this one is in Golden Sands. I haven't used this in a while, so I decided, you know, to pull it out. I think it's very pretty, has some nice colors in there. So I'm gonna go in with the light gold shade right here. Oops, I got a hair on my face. This palette smells funny. Like the cream shade smells like it's going bad. Even the powder shades smells like it's going bad. That's a shame. Alright, for lips, I'm going in with, I purchased another liquid lipstick from Natasha Denona Mark liquid lips. This one is in this shade Shoko Kiss, and I like these liquid lipsticks, especially the nude colors, because of the nice cool undertone, because sometimes I think in the fall a cool undertone is nice. What I don't like, it's dry. These lipsticks are dry, but the other upside to it though, it doesn't move, it doesn't budge. Like all day you can have this on, it doesn't move, and this is what I like about it. And I just fell in love with this color. Oh, and I have Kylie True Brown K lip liner on as usual. Isn't that just a pretty color? I think it's a perfect nude color if you have my complexion, which is NC50 and MAC. Alright guys, this is the finished look of my fall inspired makeup look. I think it came out nice. Anyway, the products that I got from my VIB sale, I'm in love with, like the ones that I use. I'm so happy with this concealer. I have so many concealers where I love getting a new concealer that works, and this is fantastic. If you've been watching this or you're looking for a concealer, like a full coverage concealer that makes your under eyes look flawless, definitely try this. And this secret brightening powder, this is definitely going to be my secret to beautiful under eyes from now on. I'm in love with this on the first go around. This is so nice. Wish it was bigger, but it's $28. I can see myself using this up and definitely repurchasing this. This is so nice. And I love this liquid lip because of the cool tone that it has. I think it's like the perfect cool tone for fall. Anyway guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and thank you all so much for watching again, and I'm gonna see you guys again in my next video. Bye guys.